What are we doing today?
What is up, y'all? So these videos are always kind of weird to start because the title probably gives away the big surprise. So today we are on our way to go look at our potential new project. Now I know it might seem a little premature for a new project. The Sonata is still not fully finished. We have a bunch of side stuff going on, but I'm always looking for the next thing, keep us motivated, keep us excited, and keep us just keep on keeping on, right?
We want to do fun, cool stuff in the shop.
So something popped up for an amazing deal, and I know I always say amazing deals, but honestly, I usually only buy things if it's a great deal. And well, it's a really awesome car. I'm super excited for it. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. That's if we buy it. And if not, we're gonna see some pretty cool cars today. And yeah, so I don't know what else to say. We could talk a lot more later, but for now, we're gonna sit in this New York traffic
and enjoy the scenery.
There, 9 miles to go.
Oh man, let's go.
I'm excited.
Me too.
And a little anxious.
I'm excited to stretch.
A lot of anxious.
A lot of anxiety.
A whole lot of it.
Shake it off.
Yeah, where are we at?
He said it's not the one with all the Supras.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of Supras.
Oh, like there's one.
There's a couple of Fairleys over here.
Oh, that's cool. Wow, the Supra's beautiful, dude.
Look at all of them. God.
There's so many. Look at it. Jesus.
Is that your trailer back there?
It looks like it. Yo, imagine the odds of that.
Like, sorry, Josh, we're leaving your trailer here.
We're stopping at Japstars, I think is the name. It's an importer, so there's your first hint. It's an imported car. Here goes, guys. Our very own Honda Beat. How funny is that, dude? RJ, I don't even think you could fit in there.
What? I could. I'm tiny. Wait, what is this thing? Oh, no move. What is that gold thing?
What is that?
The skyline.
Hold on. That's way cooler than the skyline.
What is that? What is this?
Dude, oh my god. I could probably fit in here too. Look at the headroom.
Oh my god.
This was definitely good.
This was made for me, man. Look at all
What
that headroom.
is this?
I could drive this and wear a fancy hat. Still fit.
This thing is nuts. These are 13s. You are taller than this.
Hold on, come check out the Honda Beat. You're gonna love this thing. You ever seen one?
A Honda Beat?
Yeah.
Not in person.
You know what a Honda Beat is?
It's a Honda.
Okay, check it out.
Dude, I could fit in this.
Amazing, right? Go stand next to it. It makes you look like you're my size. I love these so much. I wanted to get Steph one because they're kind of affordable, but like I don't trust it because she would get ran over by a tractor trailer in this thing.
This dash is cool with the cluster, how it sticks out over it.
Oh my god.
This is dope. Oh, the rear end of this thing is so cool.
Oh, RJ. We just talked about this.
Oh, shit.
Ouch. This dude was probably going 0.2 miles per hour.
Probably hit somebody in the bike lane.
Well, I'm assuming the nicer stuff is inside. Let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
Oh, sold. Oh, that's so good.
This is the cleanest one I've ever seen.
That was all-wheel drive.
This is all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Look.
Wait, hold on.
US.
Okay, so this is an all-wheel drive EG.
Yep.
What?
And it's a stick.
Is it like a Wago diff? Oh, that's crazy. Dude.
Let's get this one instead.
Yeah, right? Wow, this is super clean.
I don't even know if they came to the States this clean.
Yeah, right? What do you think?
There's a lot of very cool stuff there.
Yeah, right? It's fun because I feel like we've been so like confined during this whole entire time, I guess. It's cool just to see a bunch of imports.
I love this, the satin black, so much.
Other garage.
The other garage? I thought it was the other one in there.
What is that?
That's a Mitsubishi.
What is this thing?
It's an FTL, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It looks like someone took like a Pontiac Sunfire and a 3000 GT and just
This is a Grand Theft Auto car.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
When they
Oh, yeah.
When they mix them together,
Yeah.
you're like, oh, it kind of looks like 3 different ones.
That's so funny. Oh, that's so cool. RJ, you need like a little car like this a daily.
I want another little car again, man. These are so cool. I would buy so much of this stuff here. We really should have brought a double trailer.
Well, we could fit that in the bed, you know?
We probably could. I would put the beat in the bed. I want the beat.
Yeah, you want the beat?
I want the beat. That thing is cool.
Well, RJ, maybe one day if we make it big.
We're getting there.
One day.
It's gonna happen.
One day. Oh my God, I can't even imagine. I wouldn't even know like how like I would feel owning a 34. It would just be like. I wish I could be like, surprise, I'm getting an R34, but
right?
we got a long time by the time we get there, boys.
Work in progress.
We got a couple more junkers to build before we can get to that status. Dude. He ran inside. Let's go take him.
You taking this one?
Yeah, I'm taking this one. Oh, the AC in this thing!
No way!
We could just chill in here.
Oh my goodness.
Nothing hits harder than like a 90s Japanese air conditioning system.
This is crazy.
Ask any of, if you have an import, you know, nothing hits harder than a Japanese car. So if you guys can tell, we're in an R33 GTR, and it has to be like the plainest Jane GTR ever. Like, look at the interior. Like, it looks like a Tacoma. Like, there's nothing to it, you know what I mean? The 34 is a little more intricate, and then the R32s are just kind of like classy. No disrespect, because 33s might be my favorite, but still.
They're definitely my favorite by body.
By body, because she's thick. Let's go flex on those Supras real quick. See, peep the R34 interior. That's a bit classy.
Way fan. Oh, even colder.
The car just started. How was it already cold?
Oh my goodness. Later, bitches.
Well, I can tell you what, RJ punting around an R34 GTR in a parking lot definitely just made his week.
Oh yeah. This is on me, we'll take it.
All right, so we saw some pretty gangster cars. Now it's time to find out what hoopty I bought. Now, of course, we can't necessarily afford something like this yet, maybe one day, but for now, we're gonna continue on with the Jimmy Oaks route. We're gonna buy something a little rough and a price range that we can actually afford, and we're gonna put the time and money into it to make it something special, just because that's how we roll. So let's see what I was able to scrape together.
We're getting a Yamaha mini truck? Oh, so I can get on the loft. Oh, that's such a good idea.
Psych!
You fit in this thing?
No, look at me. It hurts to sit in it. Horn works though.
Horn works on everything in here.
What did I just do?
I don't know, but it suits you. I think it fits. Little TLC,
What?
couple wheels.
Well, all right, guys. So this is it. This is my new Silvia S15, and man, does it look like a pile of trash right now. The sun doesn't really help, but someone's getting it. But here it is. This is the next project, and you might not see it now, but this thing is gonna be beautiful.
A lot of potential in this car.
Look at it. Can you believe it? I want a fucking S15. I want an S15. I'm super excited. Okay, this is it though. This is what we do, guys. We take a car and we make it beautiful. We earn it. You know what I mean? Anyone can just buy their dream car. I can't afford that, so we're gonna make it. Dude, honestly, I couldn't be more excited. Like, it might look rough on the outside,
But it's not bad.
we got the skills, we got the material, we got the know-how, and we got the time to make this thing beautiful. I'm happy I was able to find a hoopty because I was able to put it in my price range. And this is it.
That's how you get these good deals.
This thing is legal.
She legal.
She legal. Well, we're gonna go through it more
Whoa, your
later
steering
on.
wheel's upside down.
Dude, everything's upside down in this car. It's in rough shape. But it's fantastic because I now own an S15, which is like my dream. Like, dude, like I have a lot of really cool cars and I'm really proud of my collection, but this is like my first like JDM legend, and at least I consider it one. And whew,
This is a car you talked about for a long time.
dude, this is
Like, you've talked about this more than FTs.
this is cool. It's a hoopty. I get it.
We make them pretty. But we're gonna.
You think I'll do a burnout?
This
I'll probably blow it up if I do a burnout. Let me drive this thing more than 5 feet, and then I'll let you know how it goes. Brakes work.
That's good. It stops squeaking when you drive. I better not have to push this damn thing on the trailer, I swear to God. Doesn't even offer me a ride. Makes me run over there for the donuts. I want donuts. I don't want to watch donuts. I want to eat donuts. Those tires are loud.
Dude, these things are more dry rotted than, I don't know, I'm not creative right now, but yeah. But all right, she whips around a little bit, she's a little rough. The tires are a little, everything's a little rough, but
We're all a little rough on the
we're
inside.
all a little rough on the inside. We're all a little rough on the outside too, aren't we? So,
That's me.
man, let's get this thing loaded up and let's get back to the shop.
Can we get food first?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Nice.
Oh, I'll see if I can get out.
AC work?
I doubt it.
Oh yeah.
It's worth it. It's great. Your hips are too wide.
Should have wore shorts.
It's a really, look how skinny this is. My hips are, how are my hips supposed to fit through that?
Sit in our window. Maybe if you stop at the Burger King, your hips would have fit.
Yeah, right.
Spec S for spectacular. I'm really excited for this. I don't care how bad you think this is. This is a lot of potential. This is gonna be real nice.
I'm pumped, dude.
I'm so excited.
Oh man.
As soon as you put one nice set of wheels on it, everything else is just gonna be like, that'll be an easy fix.
Yeah,
it's gonna make
right.
it so
Yeah, right. Okay. We gotta remember, at the end of the day, this is an S chassis, right?
Yeah.
So like, I'm telling myself, I'm like, hey, if an S14, if I got an S14 in this condition, I don't care. But I'm stoked. Japstars, they hooked it up. It's a rough car, but the price reflected it, which is fine. I'm happy with that. It allowed me to get into a different level of chassis because of it, and honestly, I'm pretty grateful of it. So
it's gonna be fine.
everything's gonna be great.
The money you would have spent on a perfectly well balanced one that doesn't exist right now, you're just gonna do it yourself. This is gonna be a sweet ass car.
Be excited for me because I'm super excited, and man, I have a legal S15, and it's gonna look good eventually. But for now, we're gonna have some fun with it.
Does that mean I get to have fun with it too? You said we. Like,
I mean, well, by association, you know.
whatever.
All right, so obviously there's a lot to go through with the car, and there's a lot to show you guys because there's a lot going on and there's a lot to talk about, but we're gonna save it for a little bit later. It's been a long day. We gotta get this thing home. We gotta go eat, whatever, and I am super excited to go through it because I haven't really gone like through it yet, and I'd really love to do that like on camera, and I think there'll be some cool surprises and hopefully nothing too devastating, but I've checked over all the major stuff that like really matters, and we're good to go. So the walk around is coming soon. All right, stay tuned. But for now, just appreciate the good side.
It's pretty. I love silver.
It's a freaking S15. Who would, I didn't think I'd ever own an S15. This is really cool.
S15. Just sound it out, everybody. Ready? S15.
Piece of junk.
No, it's not a piece of junk. It's not. It just looks it.
Let the journey
begin.
after what feels like the longest drive of my freaking life. It is so late for no gosh dang reason. I have an S15 in my garage, which that I own. I didn't think this would ever happen, or at least anytime soon, and honestly, I couldn't be more grateful. She may not be the prettiest, but neither am I, as RJ says, and she has a lot of potential, and man, I am very excited. So I know it's early on in the stages, but definitely have some pretty big plans for this thing, and I think you guys are all gonna love it. And well, just take it in one more time. Your boy's got a S15.
This car is gonna be so sick.
So sick.
I can't wait.
So, man, I gotta go home and edit this video somehow, but it is late. It is awesome. Today was sick. I hope you guys are excited. I need to shut up. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content.
And have a wonderful morning.